result of this. Stock hasn't corrected in this particular case.
Just for the retail
and this is NBFCs only.
For the home loan people, right? Means that's something. आपके लोन एक तो EBLR based है और दूसरे fixed rate based जो आते हैं. And many banks have both the thing because it's still a transitionary phase. सब completely EBLR में नहीं गए सब सब.
And they don't
want to go.
Yeah, sometimes it's a choice.
It's a choice being given to the customer basically. And आपका portfolio का 20 to 25% ही EBLR है, बाकी सब fixed है. तो net impact क्या होगा उसका?
So
for the retail investor.
So when I was doing the math in the morning, roughly 1,000 rupees per month of EMI gets saved on a 50 lakh rupee loan on a 15% tenure and a 9% rate. This is the math. You can of course do your own math depending on the loan you have, but around 1,000 rupees
अगर आप
per
EBLR
month.
में हैं,
अगर आप repo linked EBLR stroke repo linked loan में है, 50 लाख के लोन पे 9% के रेट पे 15 साल के टेन्योर पे 1,000 रुपया बचता है रफली EMI, तो 12,000 रुपया बचता है रफली फॉर द ईयर. You can also opt to reduce your tenure on the loan and keep your EMI the same. That is your choice. But I have just done broad math.
But if you are not on the EBLR or the repo plus spread में, then there's nothing changing for you.
No, nothing changing for you.
गवर्नमेंट ने महीने का 12,000 दिया, RBI ने साल का 12,000 दे दिया. Not bad.
Not bad, ना?
Not bad. अच्छा, very quickly.
महीने का 12,000 I would beg to differ, but I'd beg to differ.
क्यों कितना था? I mean
10,000 लेके चलो यार, 10,000.
8-9 at max. 8-9 at max. 1.1 lakhs.
You had only said to me that you will save about 12,000 rupees on your.
हाँ, पर आपको NPS वगैरह भी करना पड़ेगा, तब जाके आपको होगा.
अच्छा चलो. Very quickly before we move on.
M&M.
हाँ नहीं so REC PFC are up and about. There was some RBI mentioned that ECL, which is only a discussion paper, and draft project financing, we spoke about. So therefore PFC REC have shot up.
They will shoot up because why? Because you were, say, supposing on 100 rupees of loan, you were expected to do a provisioning of 2% right on day one. On the day you disburse the loan, वो provision नहीं होगा, and therefore that will flow straight to profit after tax, allowing them to disburse 30% of PAT as dividend. Mind you, these are dividend plays, and the dividend that they declare is a percentage of PAT, which is 30% of PAT. Because the PAT will be higher, your dividend will be higher in the hands of shareholders, and therefore you're seeing that reaction on the stock. And secondly, the governor also said it is minimum up to 31st March 2026 deferred. It could well be another 6 months or 12 months,
or it could be in phases also,
or it could be in phases. Yes, that is the other thing he mentioned, and therefore those stocks are up and about.
Since we are on the topic of RBI, before we take on M&M, so Crazy Crux is asking, right? One question you think the RBI and the governor is yet to answer. Actually, I think there are a lot of questions yet to answer, but I don't think all of these questions are possible to be answered in such a fluid scenario. In fact, most people either, frankly, anybody who is bullish or bearish or sticking their neck out and saying कि ये होगा, वो बंदी या बंदे के पास भी सारे आंसर नहीं है. It is very difficult.
If you're trying to ask कि RBI गवर्नर ये क्यों नहीं कह रहा कि इस साल कितने रेट कट होंगे या रेट हाइक होंगे, वो पॉसिबल नहीं है, because our policy statements are not like the US where they have that the graph which shows how much of policy cut rate cut.
Inflation is difficult to say, growth is difficult to say, and I think for the first policy, I
think
but
directional है ये, and he's showing you कि भैया आगे ना काफी सारे traffic lights हैं. Simple.
Exactly.
And expect shorter policy statements.
Yeah.
To the point, very, very pointed. He was very, very pointed, and that's different from Mr.
statement.
Das. But it was 28 minutes.
Mr. Malhotra.
It was different from Mr. Das.
But it was 28 minutes versus 30 minutes of Shakti Kant.
36 minutes was his last policy statement.
That was the last.
28 minutes was his first. The first 10 minutes, though, he took on the transition on how he expects policy to be executed.
Let's see. It could be interesting.
So you might well see smaller
Actually,
policies.
he was trying to address the inflation question, right? Why RBI is sticking with inflation as the benchmark, or
let's see if it's shorter. Not unwelcome.